Welcome back to yet another video. Another one.
What's happening?
On the 350p. So, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to tackle this monstrosity. I don't mean Jack, I mean this. So we're going to tackle the spoiler. So, you might just think, oh yeah, you buy a part, it goes on the car, that's it, it's ready, it's done. No, I wish it was. So, in today's bit, what we're going to do is we're going to be prepping a lot of this. So, let's see if we can. Here. You can see this bit here, chips.
Got a bit of teenagers acne.
Some acne down here. See if we can get it in the camera. Yeah, you can kind of just see it around here. There's cracks on these corners. Yeah, as well. This all needs shaping. This needs sorting. There's loads of bits all over the spoiler itself, so this bit needs sorting out on this corner. We've got some more acne in here. That needs sorting there as well. Some chips. This corner, for some reason, it seemed to have had a split in it and it's been glued back down. So that's going to be fun, pretty eventful. We've also got this corner as well. This has had a split in it as well. Don't know if I can see it for you guys, but that's had a split and it's been glued back down as well. This here has also got a lot of acne. It's all over the place. So basically the goal of today is to sort all this out, make sure that it's all smooth. This top section comes off. Now I want your opinion on something. Do we take this top section off here and do we get that carbon skinned so it matches the bonnet? Although the bonnet is real carbon fibre, this won't be, because I wasn't paying an extra £1 billion just for a spoiler. Make sure you're leaving a like as well on this series because we are smashing it out. So yeah, this is the whole goal of today's video. What we're going to do is Jack, he's got his Allen McKees, don't you? Jack, you're looking a little bit Mexican today, aren't you?
That's the wrong one.
Hey?
Wrong one.
Why?
I'm not Mexican.
You got your nos buttons. As Louis said. No, I didn't. So I'm kind of going to redo this again and pretend that we've not done it already. Alright?
Yeah.
So, we've sanded down this spoiler now, and we can see... I feel like I've done this already. We can see all the little indents in there that need filling. So, it's all looking very grey. Now, with this being sanded, you should be able to see here, if the camera plays ball. Well done, camera. So here, there's some cracks in this corner, so that's going to need some filling. There's also some around this edge. There's some there as well on the face of it. There's some scratches just here, which you can see. This side has got a chip right there. Also got an airline crack in it. There's some bits further down here that need doing. There's definitely some bits here. So there's one there, there's a couple on this corner as well. Underneath there's not really much. We did have a big scratch here, but that's come out by sanding it. Jack's just circling them all now with a paint pen. You might be like, well, why with a paint pen? Because for one, it can be sanded off easy. Two, it comes off with brake cleaner. So at least then we know what needs filling and what doesn't. We're not professionals. We are not professionals, so we don't have a body shop. I mean, a lot of people will buy this kit, give it to a body shop and say, there you go, fit it. But where's the content in that, eh? At least we're actually giving this a go. This is the first time we've fitted a body kit, as I've mentioned. First time we've really done much work like this, so it's kind of winging it. We've done really good on that petrol cap, which was a massive ball ache. I think that was the most difficult thing that we've had to do. But we've done it, haven't we, Jack?
Yes.
We've done it.
Yeah.
So now it's the case of, it's not the case of, well, so it's the case of now going around prepping all these parts on the car ready for paint, ready to be sent off, because again, it's not a straightforward situation of put it on the car, that's it, paint it. It just doesn't work that way. It's not the way it works. So people might be like, well, it's taking ages, this. Yes, wheels custom made from Japan by through Driftworks by Work. £1,000 a wheel, not including tyres. So that's why it's taken a long time. Bonnet over £1,000. The body kit itself, £2,500. Money keeps going up, and the car needs painting. It needs tyres. It needs a lot of other stuff on it. So unfortunately, YouTube doesn't pay that much money. It really doesn't. It does when you get to like 100,000 subscribers. So by all means, if you're a new viewer, subscribe, because we want 100,000 subscribers, because this will help with projects. But it just doesn't pay enough to warrant it. So apologies, it's taking long, but at the same time, it's one of those things where unfortunately it is going to take a while. But at least we're doing it ourselves. We're putting the work in ourselves. We can say we've built this car. There's a few bits that obviously we can do, some bits we can't, like painting it. We wouldn't even attempt to paint a car. We don't have the right equipment or anything. As far as we'd go is priming. That's about it. So yeah, that's basically what we're sitting at the minute. We're now going to finish prepping the top of the spoiler, start filling it as well, and then start sanding it down, make sure it's all smooth. We are going to prime the whole spoiler as well with a bit of high build primer, just to get any of them little aero bubbles out that we can't see. And if you've seen these videos, the car is either already done or it's nearly done, or we're a lot further progressed on the car. But you hopefully should see this now all the way till the end. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep an eye out for watching for when this is completed, because we're getting there. We're getting there, and we're also got to cut holes in the carbon bonnet.
Yes.
I don't want to. I don't want to. If you're asking why, we've got to put some bonnet latches in there, because carbon bonnets, they like to do a bit of movement, so you need some extra latching down so it don't end up on your windscreen. I'm dreading that day. Spoiler! I thought it was a snake. So spoiler is complete, okay? Spoiler is complete. Now, you saw this cinematic already of what it looks like. Now, I really like this colour. I really like this colour. Like, is that bad of me? I actually really like that colour. Don't you?
Yeah.
Right, so, what do you think to buy another 350? Rocket bunny kit it, yeah?
Yeah.
And go that colour?
Yes.
With gloss black or matte black?
I'll do it. I'll do it.
There you go, you ate it first.
If people watch videos and subscribe and all that.
What was that?
If people watch videos and subscribe, we can do it quicker.
We can, can't
Yeah.
we? So, spoiler's now done, which is absolutely fantastic. Great, lovely stuff. There is something we still have to do on the rear arches. You might think, oh God, again. Yeah, trust me, oh God, again. So this is what we're going to be talking about, is
The final piece.
these bits. These are the final pieces. So these slits, what you have to cut to fit the body kit. We need to sort them out, don't we?
Well, it's second to last thing, isn't it? Before they go off the paint.
Yeah, so after that's done, they just need sorting out on the arch themselves. We're not doing that. Next door's going to do that because they're fiberglass in place. They have the right stuff to do that, don't they? We just thought we'd do the spoiler because £1,000 spoiler, so we'll do it. But wait, that didn't make no sense. They're a fiberglass in place and they do it for a living, but then we decided to do £1,000 spoiler, yet we've not done fiberglass in. Good logic there. Anyway, but after that's done, they can then be painted. But the front wheels. Front wheels. So the other video, I said that we wasn't getting them for 6 months. Nah, I didn't lie at the time, but I feel like I've lied. But I rang Driftworks and they said that we should get them at the end of November. So that means that we can...
Wait, are we going to have the wheels before they see this?
No, we may just... It might be 2 weeks later that we'll get the wheels. Something like that. So that means we can finish the front. We can either sort the front out, everything that we need. We do need to sort the bumpers out as well, because obviously we did wrap them. They're not the greatest quality underneath, but as soon as we take that wrap off, the primer that we did use is going to come straight off. It's going to pull it off, and I know it is. So we're going to sort them out, fill all them in. We've got the side skirts to fill in as well. So stay tuned. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you're hitting that like as well, and give us a sneaky follow on Facebook if you fancy it. You know, we're going to be driving a 350 soon.
And Instagram.
And Instagram, yeah. Rusty Jack C and Rusty Fat. Make sure you follow him.
Rusty Fart.
Rusty Fato. Do not let me down. So, alright. See you guys in the next one.
What is that?
That's... Goodbye. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, what about air fresheners?
Just going to leave that there. RustyHires.uk.
My car.